Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple elevator in Unreal Engine 4. So I'll just start with a cube. You can use an actual mesh, preferably. I will scale it on the Z to 0.1 and then press the end key and it'll drop it to the ground. Let's move it somewhere else. Okay. And then I'm going to right click and copy this location, just so that when I drop a box trigger in, I can right click and paste that location. And you can scoot it up a little bit, but make sure it's in the exact right spot. And then I'm just going to do this in the level blueprints. There's other ways to do it, but this is the quickest way. So if you, actually I'll do the cinematic first. I'll do add level sequence, and we'll just call it elevator sequence. And I will click the thing I want to move, so it's the cube in this case, and go to plus track. Under actor to sequence, add the cube. And this is the timeline. Hope maybe you're familiar with it. It's 30 frames a second, 150 frames. That is 5 seconds. You can change it to whatever length you want. That's 4 seconds. All I'm going to do is under transform, under location, I'm going to keyframe the Z at 0. And then move my timeline to the end, or you can press the end right here and change that Z. I'll actually just do it in the viewport, so I'll just move my elevator to where I want it to be and then hit the keyframe again, and you can see it works by scrubbing through it. The last thing you need to do is if you want this thing to stop at the top, you can go properties and when finished, go to keep state. That way it'll finish and it'll stay there. You could do a different, there's a bunch of ways to do it, but I would say put another trigger box up here and trigger the reverse. Have it just play in reverse. But that's our animation right there. And good enough. Now we just need, when you walk over the box trigger, for it to play the animation. So I'll put this in my level blueprints. And I selected the box trigger already. So when I right click, I can say add the event, a collision event, which is add on actor begin overlap. When that happens, I will create level sequence player, tell it which one. In this case, I only have the one. And then from there, I will play sequence player and just connect these guys so it knows which one to play. Compile, close, and that should be it. I get to go up, and it should stop at the top. Perfect, that's it. Hope it was helpful. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks.